Hello. Today I'm going to show you an awesome unboxing video by me for you. Today, let me introduce you this device here. This is a mini chainsaw, cordless chainsaw with 6-inch and 8 inches blade. It is an electric saw, which is battery operated chainsaw with two batteries. It cuts wood. It is usable in a garden, against trees and trimming and so on. And it comes by Sweatfell. This mini chainsaw is equipped with a 6-inch and an 8-inch replaceable guide plate and chains in two sizes. We can replace the chain and guide plate as needed to meet our different occasions need. With a chainsaw speed of 16.5 feet per second, we make the cut efficiently, as you can see. It only takes 8 up to 12 seconds to cut a 6-inch diameter log. These cutting branches or trunks efficiently, quick and easy. It can be used for tree pruning, shrub pruning in everyday household. You will need that, of course. Beginners can handle this. Woman, man, and so on. And of course, all the people can be used. This cordless mini chainsaw is equipped with two 2000 mAh 21-volt powerful lithium batteries and a quick charger. Maybe you can replace it by using your Makita battery packs, which you have at home. Yes, that's possible, as you can see. It's compatible, baby. There is a battery status indicator that allows us to easily check the charging status. It's suitable for cutting wood, trees, gardening, widely used in the gardens, farms, forests, and so on. This mini chainsaw is equipped with an upgraded pure copper brushless motor, which is more energy efficient, faster in cutting and longer lifespan than traditional brushed motors. The electric mini chainsaw is a powerful tool that offers us an efficient and precise cutting performance for a variety of applications. With this chainsaw, we can maintain our garden ourselves and saves a lot of energy and time. It's cutting wood for DIY projects too. And this mini chainsaw with battery has a safety lock, switch, and a splash guard. The safety lock prevents accidental starting. When we press the safety lock and start button at the same time to start the chainsaw, it is possible to operate that chainsaw. If we do not push the safety lock, it is locked and nothing will happen. And this is the safety thing. And with protective cover protects against dropping watts and something else. And it is equipped with a protective goggles to prevent dust and wood chips in our ears. And it's equipped with gloves to protect our hands. Equipped with a non-slip texture handle to prevent accidental slipping while working. The chainsaw and the chain can be automatically lubricated. It's equipped with the independent filling openings on the top side of the chainsaw. The chain is refilled with oil fully automatically during the operation. This ensures a maximum service life of the guide plates and chains. This reducing the friction resistance of the drive chain when using the cordless chainsaw and achieve a smooth cutting experience. This electric chainsaw has an innovative tool-free automatic chain adjustment, so we only need to turn a knob to adjust the chain tension. It's easy to replace the chain, as you can see, from the small to the larger one, and it's easy to tighten the chain with only a knob rotation. It comes brand new to us in the 2025 mini chainsaw 6 inch and 8 inches upgraded brushless cordless version. It's portable, it's versatile, it's convenient, and it's secure. Of course, take care of your hands. And this is a sharp object. The chain is a sharp thing. So if it is in operation, you should not take your fingers at the chain or something else there. Here is an upgraded high power pure copper motor, a powerful motor, an overheating protection, a long lasting battery, and a low noise level. We have 2000 milliamp hour lithium batteries inclusive. The power of the electric chainsaw with 2 batteries means the charging time is 1.5 up to 2 hours, but a working time of 1 hour is possible. Over voltage protection, overheat protection, 2 charging batteries, and lasting work time. We have a secure lock. We have 21-volt lithium batteries, an ergonomic handle, the built on the top for the oiler, a variable speed trigger, a protective baffle, a rust-resistant chain plate, and adjusting knob on the side. Easy peasy as you can see to top in the oil. You can use motor oil which is used before, of course, that's possible. And we can easily remove and attach a new blade. And we can adjust the chain tension easy by the screw and the rotation lock. DIY handmade stuff, garden pruning, bamboo cutting, and camping. This is the world of this mini chainsaw. Cordless, baby. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe me and give me a positive feedback, and I hope to see you again on my channel. Sun.